Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony. I did want to update you guys on my portfolio because I did pick up, I think like a week or two. As soon as Bitcoin started running, I picked up a little bit more for a couple of altcoins. I actually picked up a little bit more Anchor. I actually bought a little bit more of Ethereum Classic because the Ethereum started running. I picked up Ethereum. I now have one full Ethereum as far as not having not one Ethereum. So I do have one full Ethereum right now, which is pretty cool. Um, what else did I pick up? I picked up a little bit more doggy. I think I picked up another grand of doggy coin. Bitcoin. I still don't have any Bitcoin. I only have about $1.79. I don't think I picked up anything else. I think for the most part, that's everything that I picked up. I think I might have. I think I kind of want to buy a little bit more internet computer. But apart from that, it was really just a little bit more doggy Ethereum Classic. I picked up a full Ethereum. I picked up more Anchor, Chainlink. I don't think I picked up Chainlink, but yeah, for the most part, that's just I wanted to do a quick update of what I actually picked up recently. You guys already know Matic and Cardano are my biggest positions, basically. Matic and Cardano are my biggest positions, and then it's I think Stellar Lumens. I actually bought Stellar Lumens in case XRP ever decides to rise up or start running because they're kind of the same thing. So if XRP runs, so is Stellar Lumens. And Chainlink is probably my fourth biggest altcoin. I think Chainlink is fantastic, and I think the new and up and comer. I really think Anchor is gonna be pretty good. I think Anger is going to rise a lot. Their market cap is still under $1 billion, so it can still definitely go to like $1 from here. Um, so it adds. If Anchor does what is it called? Where are we at? 10 cents. So if Anchor can go to $1 billion and then 100x to 100 billion. So yeah, I can still definitely do. Anchor can still definitely do 100x. I'm not saying it will, but it can definitely see somewhere in the lines of maybe like 50 billion over the next actual altcoin rally. I can definitely see it running. I think the one that I'm gonna be jumping in on the most right now is probably Anchor as far as altcoins because I think Anchor has the most potential to actually run to the upside. And I think from here, from this 10 cent mark, it can definitely see somewhere along the lines of like $10 or so, possibly a little bit more. But again, just very, what is it called? Very low market cap. I see Anchor being talked about a lot. Um, and I think the only other one that I would actually really want to pick up is Polkadot. I think I only have a little bit of Polkadot. I would probably want to buy more Polkadot and maybe, I don't know if I would pick up more Doggy Coin to be honest. Um, it hasn't broken. I think if it does go back to 24 cents, I might pick up a whole bunch more, honestly. Um, I think that Doggy definitely has a chance of going back to like in the 70s, now that it's all organic and Elon Musk isn't pumping it and stuff. But yeah, for the most part, that's an updated portfolio of my Coinbase. We're at 41.3, and I think if we do end up being bullish for the month, I can definitely see Bitcoin running to like 84,000 plus, basically saying that we are going to hit altcoin season and all altcoins are going to keep rallying a lot. So, we'll see where this portfolio is at in within 250 days of today. But I already told you guys as soon as Bitcoin hits somewhere like 85, 90,000, I might consider selling everything. But I'm not 100% sure. I want to wait and see. I might consider selling all of the altcoins that are, that I don't really care too much about, right? So my biggest positions are Cardano, Polygon, Stellar Lumens, and Chainlink, and basic attention token, and probably Anchor. But I think if we do run towards the upside, I think I might consider selling everything else and just kind of holding on to these couple coins, and again Ethereum and Ethereum also possibly Dog, whatever, right? But I haven't thought about it. I don't know what my strategy is, but I do know that I'm gonna do something when Bitcoin hits roughly 84,000, 85,000, if it does hit that. Because that is the minimum percentage increase that I've seen over the historical runs that Bitcoin's had, right? So at minimum, it does either 3x or crazy 15x from bear months. So we'll see what happens, and it all really depends on how August closes. And I actually just released a video on that if you guys want to check that out. So I'll see you guys later. Just a quick update on my portfolio for Coinbase, and then kind of go from there. Bye.